Hey, what's up everybody? Happy Monday morning to everyone, and I am very excited to announce that we are in the Elite 8 of the World Championship of 3D CAD Speed Modeling. And what that means is that we started out in this tournament with 32 runners from all around the world way back on July 15th in the black bracket with Fabien Pierre and Ty battling it out, Inventor versus Alibre. Totally epic matchup to get things started. And from there, we went from the round of 32 to the round of 16, and now we are in the Elite 8. And on October 21st, we're going to see a matchup between the GoldenSpamfish running Onshape in dark mode versus IvanTheReasonable. Ivan is from Canada, running SolidWorks, and Ivan has actually won this entire tournament before. So we're going to find out if Ivan becomes the very first repeat champion. We've never had a repeat champion in this tournament. Over on the blue bracket, also on October 21st, we're going to see Joost from the Netherlands. Now, Joost is the #1 seed in this entire tournament, and Joost is running ANSYS spaceclaim. So a little bit exotic in the world of 3D CAD, but very excited to see how he does in his matchup against Victor K. Victor K has been in this tournament before. He's an old pro. He knows all the tricks in SolidWorks, and I got a feeling this is going to be one of the most intense matches we see in the entire tournament. Be sure to tune in on October 21st. You can catch up with those guys in the blue bracket. Down in the green bracket, we've got a matchup set between Aaron C. from the United States using SolidWorks and Pranav from India using SolidWorks. So some SolidWorks versus SolidWorks action in the Elite 8. That's going to take place on October 28th. And then also on October 28th, we're going to see Imants using Onshape. Imants is from the United States and is the younger brother of the current world champion, Alnus, going up against Jehan Refaa from Egypt. Now, Jehan runs SolidWorks, and if you didn't get a chance to see the match on October 7th, I really encourage you to go back and watch that match between Jehan Refaa and Jack Sato. Very evenly matched, a great matchup, and a well-earned spot to Jehan here in the Elite 8. That next matchup is going to take place October 21st. We're going to see the GoldenSpamfish go up against IvanTheReasonable, and we're going to see Joost from the Netherlands go up against Victor K from the United States. It's definitely going to be, these are some of the best CAD users in the world, and we get to see them all competing here on this one day, October 21st. And then the next week, we get to do it again on October 28th. I'll be creating a lot of content these next couple of weeks to help promote for these matches. I'll be posting some highlights from some of their previous matches. And of course, I'm going to be talking about it today during the live stream in Model Monday Live. So if you want to learn more, tune into the live streams. Otherwise, I'll see everybody on October 21st.